girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. Welcome back, and we're gonna do a quick one here with Halsey. This song is called Hometown, okay? So Hometown is played the capo set on the 7th fret. If you watch the music video, we're gonna play exactly like they do there. So I'll put that capo on 7th, and we have 3 chords that goes around and around in the same order, in the same style, through the entire song. So let's go into the chords, and we're gonna hold the chords exactly like they do as well. So we're gonna start with G. Okay, so that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so it's a little bit different there, but that's the G they're using here. And next chord will be C. So you're gonna keep that 3rd fret B string down there. You just switch the 2 fingers you're using for the E and A and go down 1 string. So I suggest you go with the mid finger on the 3rd fret A string. That's the 3rd A, and then we have the 2nd D with the index finger, then open G, still 3rd B, and open E. That's the C chord used, and then for A minor, or like the A version of this chord, it will be to just go with the open A instead of 3rd A. So you just lift off this mid finger from the 3rd A to open and keep the rest there. So this will be like this: open A, 2nd D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Okay, so that is the chord progression. You're gonna play 1 string round on G, 2 on C's, and 1 on the A. And how do we handle them? How is this strumming going? Let's go back to the first chord, the G, and you're gonna play down, down, up, down, up. That is 1 string around. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay, and I like to play the first down very prominent on the bass to really mark out the chord, and then the next down I go down in the mid area and play that one, and the rest follows there. So bass, and then I play the rest on the mid area or so. Alright, so like I said, 1 on G, 2 on C, and 1 on the A. And that's the 1 round you're gonna play from the beginning till the very end. A couple rounds goes like this. And there you have it, Halsey's Hometown. Good luck with this one, guys, and until next time, play tuned.